This clever new invention wants to eliminate wine intolerance for good, allowing you to finally enjoy your favorite wine without the unwanted side effects. If drinking wine gives you headaches, congestion, face flushing, upset stomach or hangovers, then you may be surprised to learn that it's not because of the alcohol. You see, all wine contains sulfites and histamines, which directly cause those nasty side effects for some unlucky people. They're so bad that many people have stopped drinking wine altogether. But a new startup founded by wine lovers wants to change that. So they created the world's only wine purifier that removes both sulfites and histamines from your wine, without removing anything else. This means you get to taste the wine as the winemaker intended, while still enjoying the flavors, antioxidants, and other good stuff. The wand is a major breakthrough for wine lovers. Sommeliers recommend using it even if you don't have wine intolerance. They say it doesn't just reduce side effects, it improves the wine's flavor. The wand was invented by Dr. David Meadows and his son Derek. They both suffered from horrible wine headaches. Yet they didn't want to give up their passion for wine. Thankfully, David and Derek aren't just wine aficionados. They're scientists. Together, father and son decided to hit the laboratory, searching for a way to reduce the side effects of wine. It took 2 years before the eureka moment finally came. They learned that histamines and sulfites were responsible for these wine allergies. Their goal was simple: remove histamines and sulfites, without changing the chemistry of the wine itself. After 2 years in the lab, they finally perfected their filtration beads. These beads trap only the bad stuff, making your wine taste better.
We could see that our filtration was working, but when we tried a big, bold cab, and it was every bit as delicious as it was in the tasting room in Napa, we knew we had something special. Not only was all the flavor there, we didn't experience the side effects. It felt like a miracle.
In 2016, the duo launched the wand to a small audience. They knew they had a great solution that worked, but they could never have imagined how badly it was needed. Before long, they had sold 8 million wands. But most importantly to David and Derek, people love the wand. It's already racked up 4,300 plus 5-star reviews, and experts are showering it with praise. It really works. The wand uses patented purification technology to remove 95% of all sulfites and histamines from your wine. Remember, those are the primary cause of wine-related side effects. It's also very easy to carry around and use, just toss it out when you're done. The wand looks like a stir stick and comes individually packaged. To use it, simply stir the wand in your wine and enjoy. The wand's patented purification beads trap histamines and sulfites as soon as they touch wine, safely removing them from your wine, leaving just the good stuff in your glass. And no, it doesn't impact alcohol content, it's just the additives. Now you can finally enjoy wine without the side effects. It's become a smash hit among both wine lovers and those with wine allergies. If you love wine, there's really no reason you shouldn't use it. It's FDA registered, 100% safe and non-toxic. And its effectiveness has been independently proven by a leading wine lab. But the laboratory isn't the only proof that the wand works. Thousands of people are gushing about it online. So whether you're extra sensitive to the wrath of the grapes, or you just love wine and want to experience its full flavor, with the wand, now you can enjoy your vino the way it was meant to be enjoyed.